Hi, you guys. Welcome to the very, very first edition of the Earth Fest, powered by Nippon Paint. And it's a very special chat today because I have none other than Mr. Mahesh Anand with me. He is the president of Nippon Paint India Private Limited. And there's a lot of questions that I have, Mahesh. I'm actually waiting to unleash all of them on you. But before that, thank you so much for removing the time. Thank you so much for partnering with us on the Earth Fest. Thank you.
Yeah, same here also. In fact, we are very, very close to the Mother Earth. That's how we call ourselves as a company which is more eco-friendly and environmental friendly. So, same from my side, from my team and my whole Nippon Paint company globally. Also, we are overwhelmed being part of this, and I'm ready to take any sort of questions. I mean, freewheeling questions from you, and please go ahead. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So I actually want to, I'm sure a lot of our viewers also have the same questions, and I've asked a lot of people around, because today at the kind of juncture that we're in our lives, I mean, we're not at the end of the pandemic by long shot. We're, if I may say so, we're in the middle of a raging pandemic. The world around us doesn't seem so safe anymore. And so that's on one side. And then on the other side, we have companies like yours launching products that are earth friendly, that are child friendly, that are really, really high on wellness and hygiene. And it's a very good feeling. Even when you see a product like that, it's a very good feeling. So I will now just let you talk about your product range, because according to me, that's very exciting.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the exact thing which we are also excited to be part of this program, and it's a great opportunity for us to share our product offerings, and not only that, and also to understand more about paints, and so Nippon Paint actually is a global company. I mean, just to tell the scale and size of it, it's about 145 years old, and I mean that means that the legacy in what we have
Legacy.
developed in making a paint. Making a paint is something like cooking, right? And exactly the cooking happens here, and and cooking also comes to you by natural, what do you call, the flavor, natural, the instinct you have,
Yeah.
and the care in which you cook it. Paint is also something like that. So 140 years of cooking, you can imagine that what would have been the expertise in making paint. So we call that as the Nippon way of making paints. How Toyota calls it as Toyota's way of making cars. So we call that as Nippon way of making paints, and this legacy has been transferred. It has been, the knowledge transfer has happened seamlessly, right? When we started in India, my the manufacturing team had the hand holding from the Japanese counterpart, and so that person has given all his knowledge and transferred everything to my team, and now my person, the manufacturing team head, he's called the junior guru, for other countries which are emerging. That's how the lineage is getting transferred. So Nippon's very, very, the legacy continues like that. So, and when we started in India, I mean, before starting, of course, we would do a dipstick study and things like that. And then we understood that something is missing. Of course, there were big players in the country, but still something was missing. And so maybe we identified that as an international standard. A functionality in paints was not there in India. That was in 2006. And when I said till that time, all paint companies were giving paint which was colorful, good finish, good texture, everything was there,
Of course.
protection, everything was there. But paint can also do some functions, something which Nippon was the pioneer in bringing into India. So first product we launched in 2006 was called as MediFresh 3-in-1 emulsion. It was an antibacterial emulsion, right? So which means you apply the paint on the wall, the bacteria which are found everywhere on the walls also will die due to starvation, and it was very safe so that to apply that paint. And we had even a commercial, which of course was a commercial which was made in China, wherein we paint that the emulsion to a something like a fishing net, and we put some fish into that and show it in the TV advertisement that it is very safe for humans, and it is very safe for the life, the other species also. So that's the starting of Nippon in India, and then we continued this functionality in paints, and of course you need somebody to build a cat,
Of course.
automatically other Indian companies followed. So which means that they had the knowledge, maybe they wanted somebody to kickstart that. And we are very proud that we started that, the positioning the products at the functional level. And also that point of time, every company was, as I was telling, they were delivering the need of the customer. So whatever you talk, it was going into the domain of the market leaders or the number 2 player. Whether you talk color, they had. You talk about finish, they had. You talk about protection, they also had. So we were just finding where we to fit in. So then at that point of time, in 2006 and 2005, the green building movement was gaining momentum in India. So we joined them, and we became a founding member of Indian Green Building Council, and we initiated all the campaigns what they did. And being a founding member, so we started patronizing all their certifications, right? So we were the first company to get certified as a Green Co company, which means my entire manufacturing process is green. And we also supported them in getting paint products certified as Green Pro certified products. So today you can buy, any paint you buy is with minimum amount of lead in it, and Nippon products are particularly Green Pro certified, which means that the complete raw materials and the manufacturing process, and of course the disposal of the waste, everything is green. So that's the very unique, I would say, USP feature we have. So that's a journey. And coming to the point, what you are talking about is the wellness series. So every product what we launch, we keep that in mind, how that can impact to the lifestyle or the life of the people, whether it is on a exterior or whether it is on interior. So we used to think that actually, and our technology team, which are across the globe, they work on this very, very specific aspect in their mind. I would say call it as a DNA of that. So after MediFresh, 3-in-1 MediFresh, we launched an emulsion which is odorless, no smell. Generally, if any common man, how do they understand you have painted your home? Once you walk in, it has to smell, right? But unfortunately, if it smells, it's not good for you. If you are, inhaling that, you're inhaling the VOC content and the residual gases which are going inside. Smellless paint is something, innovation which we brought in. So while painting and after painting, you will not have the paint smell at all. So that's, we launched that product in 2009 and continued our journey of launching very functional products. And of course, after that, we launched air care paint. It keeps purifying the indoor air.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So
even just to hear these things, it's such a feel good. The idea of it is, it makes you feel, just listening to you talk about these things is making me feel good that there is a product out there that's actually doing that. But how does it do it?
Actually, so after we launched this odorless emulsion, I think our innovation team plus the emulsion, the basic raw material for paint, they both work together. and they started to work on something like, it is not only the paint is smellless or without any harmful gases. Why can't it absorb the harmful gases of other potential sources within the room, like your carpets, like your wood, wood actually has a lot of this it emits the gas, as it dries. When the wood dries, you will have a smell, wood smell is coming. That's basically, it's a gaseous state, and we call that as, the common name is called formaldehyde.
Yes.
The smell of formaldehyde gas, right?
That's, yeah.
Oh, okay. Can the paint absorb that and decomposes
Recycle
that,
it.
or something, release it in a different form? So I think the technology behind this is, they started putting an activated carbon in the paint film. So formaldehyde formulation is the chemical formulation is 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, and carbon dioxide. And this paint has a activated carbon. So when the gas comes closer to the wall, the carbon gets attracted to the paint, and it remains as water vapor.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
So
how simple is that?
Yeah, and so what happens eventually is, like, your indoor air is always pure. This we launched in somewhere in 2010-11 across the globe, and India we launched in the year 2011. I'm sorry. So we call that as odorless air care, and we found it very difficult to communicate this to the general Indian public. Like,
yes,
it's very difficult to go and talk to them. But what has happened now? A blessing in disguise.
Oh my God!
All are stuck inside the home, and you want the indoors to be very pure, right? So that is how the campaign we launched last year during the pandemic, we called as we call that as sanitize your walls. When everybody was sanitizing your hand and your touching parts, we had the campaign called sanitize your walls with our wellness series of products and paints, of course. So we continuing that. So we are likely to launch a couple of other products also. So Kids is a variant which we launched last year. Not last year, before that. We launched just 2 years before that. And now we have Kids with the NHA certification, which says that which authenticates the claim what we are doing, for the product. Yeah.
Tell me more, because it's something that when it comes to the children, we don't compromise. So don't stop talking. You just keep talking about.
So actually, what again, the research and R&D team, they worked on that, and then, like, the human, the evolution starts from the kids. Actually, as soon as you're born, you need clean air. Then once you start crawling, you need to touch safe places, and then once you reach to a toddler, you need some space to put your crayons and use your drawing instincts or artistic instincts, like that. So that's a three phases of a children, which is very, very critical. And Nippon, we thought that we should have a product which can go through the complete process from the age of 0 days to at least about 12 to 11 to 12 years, till the child reaches to that age. So when the newborn babies, they need a clean air for safe breathing. So so we have the product which has this property which I was explaining earlier, which absorbs formaldehyde, and it actually breaks it into water vapor, and your indoor air is always pure. Next is the same product has antibacterial, antiviral properties, so that when the kid crawls and touches the wall, it is very safe to touch. So third property is it's washable. So even if you put some crayons or color pencil or whatever it is, you can easily wash it off.
Clean it off. So you're saying this is our regular crayons.
Emulsion. Yes.
You can actually wash them. What a relief this is. Okay, so now tell me, when you're talking about this product, why aren't we seeing you shake the market up with it?
Actually, it all depends upon what a consumer also is looking at it. When you're in
Yes.
your painting process, let me ask this question to you. I mean, in your life cycle, how many times have you painted? Maybe twice or thrice?
Yes.
So
True.
even if it is three times, but what is your involvement in that? I mean, you would have
So
called
I
some
have
painting.
to tell you this, even while you're talking, there's so much regret in my mind because I just finished, doing up the walls,
Walls, yeah.
and my children are now 11 and 12. Okay, both are boys. There was so much active involvement. They wanted to engage with the roller. They wanted to do it themselves. They wanted to select the paint. So in my head right now, while you're talking, I'm thinking, oh God, we should have just known about this like at that point.
Yeah,
My God.
yeah. So generally, what happens to the Indian consumers when they go for painting, they generally give it to a contractor or a painter whom they know or they trust, or it's like the normal process.
The
So
regular.
yeah, so what for him, for a contractor, basically, yeah, he wants real availability, easy availability of the product, and a color or anything which is more common. And
Correct.
unless you specifically tell him, I want this color, I want this. Properties of paint is something which little bit of time is taken for the consumers to get involved into it. So it's a process where I think today every company is doing it. Nippon is also is the pioneer in that. So we talk about our property of this. So this, maybe if we have called it as kits, and we're going to launch another product which is for, of course, the same variant or slightly a better variant, which will be for every household.
Oh,
The
correct.
moment you say kids, people say that, oh my God, this is to be applied only on the kids room.
Kids
Now I
room.
don't have a kid, maybe my grown up children, so what, can I not use that product? You can use that product, but still, that there is some sort of some sort of a clarity we should bring in. So that's why we
Yes.
are going to launch another product which will be more commonly used.
Overarching.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited because
Okay.
I can't wait for this to hit I can't wait to talk about this. I can't wait for it to hit the market. I can't wait to actually educate people that it's as basic as what you're saying it is. It's not as complex as when you hear these technical terms, you hear this the technical jargon, which a lot of the times doesn't even register. You see it as part of the can, the paint can, which you see around when the painters bring home, all of that. But there's very little engagement with the actual idea of what goes into the making up of the paint that's sitting in that can. There's another thing, while I was going through your product page, there's another thing that I was again very excited about, was this whole idea of a no primer paint,
Yeah.
a paint that primes itself. I
Yeah.
mean, again, I think one of the stinkiest substances in the whole process of painting is the primer,
Correct. Yeah.
isn't it? That turpentine smell.
Yeah. In fact, yeah, this is also another part is like it is actually a process which saves you time, which saves you money, and which saves you another, one more process of doing another primer.
Correct.
So we actually worked on this. We had a research within painter teams, and then understood that this is a product which is needed, and they can complete their job very quickly. So we sandwiched it actually, a paint which can have also be as a primer and as a top coat. That's the unique property of that paint. So there the product, and doing very well in the market today.
I can imagine. The
Yeah.
other thing that I'm thinking of is something like this. Uh, we, of course, we have a very, very small community of people who enjoy DIY,
Correct.
but it's growing. And because the awareness is also growing, we're becoming a lot more exposed today to what's going on in the world and how people in the world are doing things. So while I think that yes, we will take some time to gather momentum there, I think the DIY movement is growing and having paint like that, this whole no primer thing. So can this paint also then work on other surfaces?
It can actually, it can work on, the plastered surface, which means the concrete. It can also be applied on wood. It can be also been applied on metal. Yeah, it can work on all surfaces, but we recommend, basically, if it is to be applied on a wood or a metal, maybe a self priming coat of the same product. Maybe you apply
Of
one coat
course.
of that, and then do
The
the
double.
the top coat. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
That's it.
but that's
Yeah,
brilliant. I
yeah.
cannot tell you how excited I am. Listen, you have to give me more information that I can put out there, that we can talk to our viewers about, because again, today with social media, there are so many people talking about, so many things,
So many
and
things.
you don't have to be a certain someone for people to actually end up paying attention. I think today what people need is the right information going out at the right time to the right
Right.
audience. And I know that I'm blessed that people listen to us. So it's a good time. It's the perfect time to get this information out there. So I'm very excited.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about, again, something that I chanced upon while I was doing my research on Nippon, was this whole thing of, the painting services that you all provide,
Yeah, yeah.
the care that is taken
Take it
while
up.
you're
That's
doing.
right.
So just tell us a little more about that also.
Yeah, in fact, I mean, as I said, our learnings come from other countries also. So, in country like Singapore, in country like China, where we have already established as a better brand or a market leader brand, this is something which is what has driven for us. Basically, when you see a paint, you don't want to buy that paint and keep it with yourself. You want to get it applied on the wall,
Correct.
right? So not many people might look at for a DIY concept. So they might not have the time to do it up. So they feel like, can you do it for me? So this is where we thought like DIFM came in, do it for me concept, where the manufacturer himself takes the responsibility of delivering the product on the wall, right? And we ensured that with no effort from the consumer or the customer don't have to do anything. Company will take care. Masking the furnitures, keeping them neat and clean, putting it back to the surface, everything is done by them. The painters, these are the people, I mean, unorganized. We can't make them overnight as to be very
Of
educated, skilled
course.
and all.
Of
So we need to
course.
take them into the right. So what we did is like we certified them. We some of them we trained. The already trained people, we certified them. We call it as recognition of prior learning. We certified them and then also did the background verification of them. So when I went to a customer site, I said, look, these are my painters and this is what is their credentials. The background is verified. You don't have to worry about their,
Where they're coming
anything
from.
about
Yeah,
that.
yeah, safety.
So safely you leave it to us and Nippon takes care of everything. So we do the masking, we completely cover the surface right from wall to wall, everything is masked and we do the painting. And what is most important is the pricing is transparent and we are trying to, sorry, we're trying to keep the tap time as short as possible.
Correct.
Today, maybe we are taking about 7 to 8 days time, but we would like to bring it down to
Sure.
maybe about 4 days or 3 days like that. Because if it is a non-dwelling house, we can just like that in a day we can complete. But in a dwelling house, people will be there.
There
We
are too
don't
many
want to,
elements.
yeah. So that's something which we are working on. So that is something which is very evolving today, and customer is we want to give them the delight, the experience in painting, like how you said, your kids, they love it, like the engagement they could do with the painter, looking at the rollers, and maybe we can say, okay guy, why don't you paint your own wall and just keep it.
I think a lot of it is about communication. I mean, I know that I'm completely exposed to all of this, so I do a lot of experimenting at home with design, with the way we live, all of that. Okay, so it's constantly going on. It's a constant dialogue with me and my environment. But I think what we need as a country, as a population, we're very high on labor from. I mean, since
Yeah,
forever we've had people who've taken care of these things for us. We've heard
correct.
our parents worry about, oh my God, painting has to happen, and that's like one big thing that we work
Yeah,
towards, we psych ourselves towards, and. But I do believe very, very strongly that with the right communication and the right information going out there and in the right manner, people are opening up to
very true.
so many new things, and it's incredible. Which brings me to my next question for you. Uh, Tell us about how are you going to unravel the products, future plans, basically. What is the
Yeah,
next step for you?
so basically, we are working on few products which some of them are too early to divulge here, but we are working on a very, very unique product, which of course, once it is ready, we are shortly going to launch that product. It is going to be the product which everybody needs it. It's basically, I wouldn't say it is completely DIY, but it can be DIY. In fact,
Oh,
you
superb.
don't you don't need a painting skill, you skill of a painter to do that. It's basically a product which can be applied on any surface. It's a clear coating which can be applied on any surface, and it is the clear coating is colorless paint. I would say a thin coating of this, and within about 5 to 7 minutes, it actually starts working, and it kills all the pathogens in that, including your corona, the virus, what
Viral.
is to be there. Yeah, and it stays there for almost about 1,000 cycles, which means that every time 1,000 times you can clean it, the surface.
Wow.
So yeah, we going to have that product launched very shortly, and a lot of research has gone inside. In fact, it's last almost like about 18 months. This product has been in testing at the nascent stages, and then now we're going to launch that product. And also we are looking at a similar emulsion, which is applied on the wall with the colors. Also, is one of the offerings which will be from the Nippon Paint staple. This is for the interiors and exteriors. We are looking at some products which can be withstand about maybe about 4 or 5 monsoons. Yeah, something like that. Yeah,
Important in our country.
yeah, yes. So these are the products which we are looking forward, and of course, we will be also looking into some of the non-paint products which can come in as the gap sealants, and these are small things which happens in your home,
Value
right?
adds.
Yeah, value adds. In fact, every home I see, whether it is new or old, you find a gap between the window and the door frame and the wall. So generally what happens is like that hole is not covered properly, and slowly it will start getting some insects over there, lizards inside
Oh
going in.
my
So
God.
yeah, so we can have a clear sealant which can be put as a gap filler. These are the
Protection.
products which Nippon is also working on that, and it will be a bit of DIY type of products, and some of the paints will be applicator driven products also. Yeah.
Superb. Okay, and zone-wise, we're available across the country. There is, in terms of availability.
No, actually, we are not available in East and Northeast, which is because of the distribution of the
Network.
strengths. We do have some challenges here because we have a factory only in down south. So we are there in south, west, and north, and east and northeast we have not yet started yet. But in these three zones, we are completely there. We have almost about 7,000 plus dealers.
Superb.
Yeah, and available, and we are also available online. We have a separate e-portal wherein we started, putting in some of the designer with finishes. So if you want, I mean, you can try that. Maybe I'll ask my team to get you that link. You can buy the product, and you can apply it on your wall. I mean,
Oh, that would
even
be so cool.
yeah, designer finish on your wall. Say maybe your kids in their room, you can do that. Your son can do it.
Yes, that would be so cool. It would be
Yeah,
nice, and it's good occupation also. No, takes them away
yeah,
from their screens, give them
exactly.
something creative and constructive to
So
do.
we have made some user videos, which has been done by my own staff. My
Team.
own colleagues have done that. So it's so simple. You just apply that and automatically leave it. I mean, don't worry about the design, whether it is looking good or not looking good. That's up to you because
Yeah,
it's
of
your
course.
design, right? I mean, you
Correct.
decided. Yeah, we have that
Correct.
product also available. Yes.
Oh, super. That is so
Yeah.
cool. Okay, I'm just going to quickly look at my notes and see that I have
Yep.
covered everything. Yes. Yes, I have covered everything.
Oh, great. That's
And
fine.
I am so, so glad to have had this conversation with you, Mahesh. Thank you so much for everything.
Same here.
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm smiling a lot wider after. Yeah, I mean, I'm really excited. I wish you all the very, very best.
Thank you.
Lots of good luck and more power to you because I think everything that you guys are doing is helping planet Earth. So
All right.
thank you.
That's a vision actually. So thank you so much for this interaction. Wonderful it was, and we were able to share a lot of our. I mean, it's ideas what we are going to
Yes.
launch in the future,
Yes.
and we'll be in touch with you again. Thank you so much.
Thank you very, very much.